Hi, my name is Ken McGarr and I head up the Research and Development Test Kitchens for Midea America. Midea is a Fortune 500 global company and is the largest producer of appliances in the world. In the fall of 2017, Midea introduced a full line of commercial microwave ovens for the food service industry. From 1,000 to 2,100 watts in 3 different cavity sizes, our line of professional products will suit any need. Midea has over 200,000 employees and the best distribution in the United States. So let's take a look at some of these ovens. We're going to go over setup, operation, and care and maintenance so that your Midea commercial microwave oven gives you years of consistent, trouble-free operation. The Midea Model 1025 FOA is an economical, dial-controlled 1,000-watt commercial microwave oven. The dial is a 6-minute dial timer with automatic reset when you open the door. Let me show you how it operates. To operate the dial timer, simply open the door. Now the fan will come on. That's normal operation. Place the food you wish to cook in the cavity and close the door. Simply dial the timer clockwise as many as 6 minutes. The oven will begin cooking automatically. Should the user open the door during the cooking cycle, the electronic dial timer will automatically reset to 0, like this. This way, when the door is closed, it doesn't continue cooking. Some of the features about the control panel include identification of the timer, a menu guide, and some typical times associated with typical products you would cook, and a simple step-by-step guide to operation. This is the Midea Model 1025 FOA commercial microwave oven, light duty. Let's talk about some of the functionality of the Midea commercial microwave oven 1025 F1A. One function it has is manual operation. For manual operation, simply place the item inside the cavity, press the time entry pad, and enter the time you want. So for 1 minute, be 1, 0, 0, and then just press start. Manual operation. Easy. Another function of the Midea commercial microwave 1025 F1A is pre-programmed operation. It's very simple. There are over 100 programs that can be programmed into the pads on the oven. For this application, we'll be cooking on pad number 5. Simply open the door, place in the food you want to cook. Now you'll hear the fan come on. That's normal operation. Close the door and just press pad number 5. You'll see it cook on high power for 1 minute automatically. Easy. In most commercial food service operations, consistency is key. Customers expect consistency time after time when they return to a restaurant. To do this, we can program the pads on the Midea 1025 F1A very easily for consistent results. Here's how to pre-program a pad. Simply open the door. Now the fan will come on, that's normal in operation. And touch and hold the number 1 pad. Program will appear in the display in 5 seconds. Then press the pad you want to reprogram. So let's pre-program pad number 6 for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. We press pad number 6 and it tells us what's on there right now. We're now going to enter 2, 3, 0. And to complete the programming process, you must always press the Start button. And Program will again appear in the display. So now, every time an item is placed in, and you press pad number 6, 2 minutes and 30 seconds will begin cooking. Consistent results for your customers and for you. Easy. In certain circumstances, an operator may need their microwave oven to cook at a certain power level for a certain amount of time, and then switch to another power level for the remainder of the time. That's called two-stage cooking. The Midea 1025 is able to cook in actually 3 stages. So let's go over how to do that. Open the door. Now the fan will come on. That's normal operation. Touch and hold pad number 1 for 5 seconds. Program will appear in the display. Now we're ready to program. Let's program pad number 2. Now it'll tell you what's there right now. The first stage will do 5 seconds on medium-high power. Press time entry for stage number 2, and again we'll do 5 seconds. But here we'll do medium power. For stage number 3, time entry, and we'll do 5 seconds on defrost power. Always press Start at the end of programming to enter what you've done. So now, if we place an item in the cavity and press pad number 2, 15 seconds total, medium-high for 5, medium for 5, and then defrost for 5. 3-stage programming with one-touch operation. Easy. Under certain circumstances, an operator may need to cook 2 of the same item at the same time. For that, Midea has incorporated a double quantity key. To use the double quantity key, place the 2 items that you need to cook in the cavity. If a 1 item is on pad number 3, we just press ×2, pad number 3, and it'll double the time that's on pad number 3, cooking 2 items instead of just 1, with the touch of a button. Easy. Under some circumstances, an operator may need to customize their Midea commercial microwave oven. To do this, there are user options available in this model. To access those user options, simply open the door and press and hold the number 2 button for 5 seconds. Option will appear in the display. Refer to your owner's manual to see which options you can change or modify. For example, if the unit is placed in a dining room at a waitress station, you may want to turn off the beep tone completely. Or, if it's in a busy break room, you may want to increase the volume of the beep tone. There are many options an operator can change with the Midea 1025 F1A. Easy. Cleaning the Midea 1025 F1A is relatively simple. Use either a soft cloth or paper towel and a non-abrasive cleanser. Clean up spills and boilovers as they occur. Simply clean up the spill and using the non-abrasive cleanser, spray inside the cavity.